Hey guys, welcome to Let's Codify. Today I'm going to teach you how to get input from a user. Let's start by opening PyCharm. First, let's type out the code to get input from a user. First, we need to type out input and two curly brackets, then a quotation mark, and we can write whatever we want here, like what's your name? What's your name? And if we run, we can write our name here. Example John. Let's give here a colon and a space. Run. And we can write John. We can also we can we can put the input function inside of a variable. For example, name like a name variable. We can also put it inside a variable. After we put it inside a variable, we can also print name. If we stop this and run it, so John, it will print John because we told it to print the name. So the input function is inside of a variable, so we cannot print the input function on itself, but we can print it inside of a variable. So I've done the same thing here. So name is a string function. It's a string variable. So the string variable is inside of a print statement. So that's why we can print it. And we can also do like, I'll show you, like first let's get rid of this, and we can do double quotation marks. We can write hello. So what I'm going to do here is first, now we want it to say hello and John. So let's so if we print this, it will ask what's your name, and we can write whatever we want, and it will say hello. So now we just need to do hello space and plus name. So if we do this, it will ask you your name and it will say hello plus your name. Let's check if it works. Asks your name, John, and hello John. There is no space, but we can fix it here. We can just give it a space here, and it works. John and hello John, and we can do this too, plus exclamation mark. What's your name? John. Hello John with an exclamation mark. After we've done this, we can also, now let's do a little small project kind of thing. Let's build a basic of the basic calculator using Python, using the input function. Let's start off by writing a variable, that is number 1 is equal to input, and we can write enter a number, and colon and the space. Let's copy this and paste. Oh no, what happened? That was it. No problem. Let's write it on our own. Num2 is equal to input. Wait. Uh, Enter a second number, a colon and a space. Now we just need to do print num1 plus num2. Now that we finished our program, the program will not be an error, but the answer will be wrong. Let's check why, and I'll explain why. Enter a number 1 plus the second number 1 will show 11. We all know that 1 plus 1 is not 11, it is 2. Why did it show 11? Because it thinks the number 1, num1 is a string variable and num2 is a string variable. So we know what happened at the last time. Like, when it asked hello plus your name, like hello John and exclamation mark, it thinks itself as a string. That's why it puts it together like 11, 1 and 11. So to fix it, we need to go here and write int and a curly bracket here and a curly bracket here. So here and again int means integer. I taught you in the last lesson, last video, and a curly bracket here. Now it will show the correct answer. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. See, we've created a basic calculator. If you have any doubts, make sure to write it down in the comments. And that's all. And yeah, bye.